Hello YouTube, Drasengan TV here, and today I'm gonna be talking about my camera, the Panasonic G7, Lumix G7. So yeah,
Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right. Not in real life. You will fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break a neck. Well, I don't.
it is summer, guys, and I mean, like, today is really hot. Like today, not only today, summertime. It's really hot. I mean, look at me. I'm sweating like hell, like crazy. I have to be using a kerchief to wipe my face. I mean, like, isn't that crazy? I'm sweating like damn, making my face look all greasy and shit. But anyways, back on topic. Today's topic is the Panasonic G7. Now, I want to do YouTube, right? So I went out and I asked a couple friends, what camera would you recommend for YouTube? So upon giving them my choice, I told them that I'm going for the Panasonic G7 because a lot of YouTubers, pro YouTubers and other YouTubers are using this camera for YouTube, and they're saying it's a brilliant camera, plus it has 4K, so it's awesome. On a tripod, record yourself, even with the kit lens, it's awesome. So I let them know that, and they're telling me that, oh, I have a friend that uses a camera and they switching from the camera to get to a different camera because they found flaws in the camera and so on. So I mean like, okay, cool. I asked another friend telling me the same thing. One was saying that camera was like, nah, I know persons who use it and it's not good. And I'm like, really? They're really downgrading the camera. So they're all telling me to go to the not to the Panasonic. They're all telling me to go to the Nikon, Canon, whichever other brand there is out there, but they're mostly stressing on the Nikon. Now I'm like, these guys are like fanatics, like really fanatics of the Nikon. They're like fanboys, because I mean, like, there's so many cameras out there, but you always go to the ones that I don't even know what I'm saying. They're just recommending me to the Nikon. One was also recommending me to the Sony A6 and 6000 or something like that, but it was quite expensive. So I'm like, nah, I'm gonna stick to the Panasonic G7 because it's quite affordable. I got this one on with the body. I got it with a kit lens, and I got it in a kit. I got it for $532 back then in around last year, October-ish, September-ish, November-ish. I think it was October-ish. So I got it that time. And I mean, I started to do YouTube from then. Well, I'm doing YouTube from a long time using phones and such, but I mean, I started to mainstream this camera because I recently got it, so I started to do more YouTube videos with this camera. And I mean, like, it's pretty awesome. I mean, with the kit lens, I'm getting a lot of things out of it. So yeah, I got it and I like it. So screw that Nikon guy and screw that Canon guy. So I also have a friend here that also uses this camera, but he uses it for videography. That's what he's practicing doing. He's a pro at it. He does a lot of videos for companies. Won a school thing the other day when he did a documentary video and won a school thing. He's brilliant, and he's telling me that this camera is awesome. He's using it with the kit lens. He's also using it with the Nifty 50 from, I think it's Uno or Canon. But he's using it, and it's beautiful, right? So I got this camera and I like it. Now I realized by using this camera I tend to start to lean to photography. They were saying this camera was only good on videography, but I digress. It's not. It's not. It's good on photography as well. I mean, you can take a look on my Instagram page at Drasengan TV down below. It's there. And also my Flickr page. Those photos were taken with the Panasonic G7, right? Those photos were taken with the kit lens on the Panasonic G7. The 14 to 42 millimeter kit lens. I mean, those are some beautiful photos. I did not do anything like any filters. The photos on the Flickr page doesn't have any filters. Those are the raw photos. And I wasn't taking them with raw. It was just on fine. The settings on the camera had it on fine. It's recently I learned about the raw and what raw can do. When you get the raw photo and you put it in the Photoshop and get back the color and such, brilliant. But that's recently. So I started to like the camera really much. Into the photography world, I realized that I have a thing for photography and I like it. It's starting to come in. It started to develop, right? So I'm like, damn, this camera is awesome. Also in the kit I got a wide angle lens that comes with a macro. That's what I'm currently using right now. I will tell you the other side of the story. I'm using it. I use it to take some photos, some macro shots, and it's really beautiful. It's focused. Well, nice. I mean, it gets some nice depth of field and such. The kit lens, right? So I have those photos on my Instagram page, Drasengan TV. Down below, you can click on it and see what I am talking about. I also have photos on my Facebook page, Drasengan TV, just the same. And on my Flickr page, you'll see all the raw quality from the camera, the 14 to 42mm kit lens. Now, basically, upon leaning into photography, I realized that the kit lens is lacking in one particular area to get that depth of field, that bokeh effect. It doesn't really have it. It's there, but you have to really know how to set your subject and how to focus and your distance and all that crap, which I'm not really pro at, but you gotta know what you're doing to get that depth of field. It's pretty hard though, it's pretty challenging, but it's a good lens. Now, all those photos you've seen, except the recent one, is taken with the 40 to 42mm lens, right? Now, since I'm starting to like photography, I tend to do some research, and I realized there's also a nifty 50 for the Panasonic side, the Macro Four Thirds systems, and that's a Panasonic 25mm f1.7 prime lens. And I mean, yo, I got that lens today, which I'm currently using right now, which I will talk about it in another video, a separate video. I mean, like, yo, that depth of field that you're seeing right now, I have it on manual mode, doing this in manual focus. Yeah, the depth of field is brilliant. I'm also using it with the wide angle lens, so that's why I'm like 3 feet away from the camera. I'm like 3 feet away from the camera, and by using that macro filter with the wide angle on it, I can get some distance and some room. You can see everything. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. So, yeah, back to the topic. The Panasonic G7 lens is a brilliant lens. Guys, if you're gonna do YouTube, you can get this lens. It's not a bad buy. I got it for $532. Link will be down in the description. I got some kits and some stuff with it and such, and it's brilliant. I like it. It can take photos well. They underestimated this camera. They're saying it's not good, but it's actually brilliant. And do not underestimate the kit lens that it comes with, the 40 to 42mm lens. It's brilliant as well. So yeah, guys, it's really awesome. So remember to check my link down below, my Drasengan TV Instagram page. You can like it as well. Check my Facebook page as well, Drasengan TV. You can check my personal Instagram page, Drasengan. And you can check my Flickr page, Drasengan TV again. It's all about Drasengan TV. That's the channel. The channel is all about Drasengan TV. Me. Entertainment from Drasengan TV. Well, yeah. Pretty much. So, I will be taking more photos. I want to go into more deep photography. So that's why I got the nifty 50 from the Panasonic Market for a third side. And I hope to get some brilliant shots. So I will be posting those photos on my Instagram page and also on my Flickr page. So remember to check those out. Also remember to subscribe to my YouTube page. I will do some cinematic videos and some photo shoot maybe. And also some videography. And also some vlogs. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think about the Panasonic G7. You can leave that down in the comment down below. Remember to click my link. I'm an affiliate. Help a nigga out. So yeah. This camera is a beautiful camera, and I will recommend it to anyone that wants to start YouTube or wants to use it for not a professional use. If they do, they can still get it, but it's a starter camera and it's a brilliant camera. It even has 4K on it. And I mean, I haven't started to use the 4K as yet, but it has 4K on it. So just imagine, you can get this body for $400 or $432 or whichever it is right now on Amazon, I'm not sure. You can get this camera body, you can get a lens on it. It's a brilliant camera, why not go for it? Compared to the other cameras, this camera is a brilliant camera. So don't be a fanboy, get a camera that you can afford, that will work for you, work for your pocket, work with your pocket, work with what can work for you. Don't go out there and stress your pocket just to get a freaking Nikon or a Canon. I have no problems with those brands, but I have a problem with the fanboys. I'm not calling you out, I'm just showing my eggs out, I'm not calling anything. Yo, time is hot, man. I swear to God. But yo, let me know what you guys think about the Panasonic G7 camera. Leave a link down, a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think. And also, Drasengan TV, subscribe, like, share. Yo, holla at your boy. I'm at 350 subscribers and trying to reach to that 1,000. Help a nigga out. Come on. I'm gonna be as consistent as I can. Help a nigga out. Drasengan TV, out.